Have you ever looked at the change in your pocket and wondered if you're holding a small piece of history, or perhaps a hidden fortune? Today we are deconstructing one of the most controversial coins ever minted by the Republic of India. The 2008 hand gesture 2 rupee coin. From religious scandals and high court battles to international smuggling rings, this isn't just money, it's a mystery. And by the end of this video, you'll know if yours is worth 2 rupees or 20,000. Let's look at the back reverse of this coin. You see 2 fingers raised. Many call it the peace sign, but the truth is much deeper. This design was born in the studios of the National Institute of Design, NID. The secret: these are Bharatanatyam mudras. Specifically, the Mudrakya. The government wanted a design that even a visually impaired person could identify by touch. 1 finger for 1 rupee, 2 fingers for 2 rupees. But why did this artistic choice lead to a nationwide protest? As soon as this coin hit the streets in 2008, a firestorm erupted. If you look closely at the 2 fingers and the horizontal lines, it creates a visual that many claimed resembled a Christian cross. Politicians and religious groups filed petitions in high courts, demanding an immediate ban. They claimed it was a subtle attempt to change India's secular identity. The RBI had to step in, defending the design as purely Indian art. The tension was so high that for a moment, the future of this coin hung in the balance. We'll explore how the government barely managed to keep these coins in circulation. Why did the 2 rupee coin suddenly become smaller and lighter in 2008? The answer lies in a massive criminal underworld. Before this, coins were made of copper-nickel. Criminals realized that the metal in a 2 rupee coin was worth more than 2 rupees. They began smuggling bags of coins into Bangladesh, melting them down to manufacture razor blades. 1 coin could make 7 blades. This smuggling scandal forced the RBI to switch to ferritic stainless steel, a magnetic, cheaper metal that was useless to smugglers. This 2008 coin was India's shield against economic sabotage. Not all 2008 coins are equal. Flip your coin and look right under the year 2008. Diamond mark, minted in Mumbai. Very common. Dot mark, minted in Noida. Star mark, minted in Hyderabad. No mark, minted in Kolkata. The location of the mint can drastically change the value for a collector. In 2008, millions were produced, but some mints had lower production runs than others. If you have a star mark in pristine condition, you're already ahead of the game. Now the question you've been waiting for: the price. Most 2008 coins are worth exactly 2 rupees. If the coin looks brand new, a collector might pay 50 to 100 rupees. The mule error, the jackpot. This is the secret. Sometimes the front of a 1 rupee coin is accidentally used with the back of a 2 rupee coin during minting. These mule coins are incredibly rare. If you find a 2008 2 rupee mule, or an off-center error, the price can skyrocket from 2,000 to over 15,000 rupees at specialized auctions. Always check the thickness and the alignment of the lion capital. The 2008 hand gesture series is a survivor. It survived a religious scandal, a smuggling crisis, and a change in India's economic history. As these coins are slowly being replaced by newer series, their historical value grows. So before you hand that 2 rupee coin to a shopkeeper, stop. Look at the mint mark. Look for errors. You might be holding a piece of a 15-year-old mystery. If you found this deep dive fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more untold stories of the world's most unique currencies. Comment below. Which mint mark do you have in your collection? See you in the next one.